이거 내거 녹이는 거 아니야?
American teenager Abby Zeus thought her Samsung Galaxy Note 7 was safe. After all, it was a replacement phone after the first one was recalled. But then, she says, it caught fire in her hand.
Mom was like, don't use your phone. I'm like, why? If it explodes, it explodes. Whatever. Never did. And then I got the replacement one, and then it explodes.
It was a month ago that Samsung first recalled the Note 7 after reports that the battery kept exploding. But now several American users have had issues with replacement phones, including a passenger aboard a Southwest Airlines flight who said their phone started smoking. The phones are on display in British stores, though not available to buy until later this month. Samsung says it's temporarily adjusting production.
Up in flames. Look at this. The St. Pete man says his brand new Samsung Galaxy Note 7 phone started a fire that torched his beloved Jeep. There's been a nationwide recall on those devices after dozens have also caught fire. Josh Cassio is live in St. Pete with more on this exclusive story. Josh, that's scary stuff.
Yeah, Mark, you know, we use our phones every single day. Nobody ever thinks something like this could cause so much damage, but that's what we're seeing. This is a major problem for Samsung. It's a major problem for Samsung Note owners, and there is a recall, but unfortunately for this guy, he didn't know about it, well, until it was too late.
It was very surprising to me how quick the dash caught on fire. Once it got the dash, the airbags went and started exploding. I had a bored out 6.4 liter. It wasn't a regular vehicle to me. I mean, I'd done a lot of modifications to it and really enjoyed this vehicle.
It's hard for St. Pete's Nathan Dorniker to see his beloved Jeep like this. It's even harder when you consider what sparked it.
That's the last thought in my head, is that a brand new device, something as simple as a phone, is going to burn down my car, my house, or hurt a family member.
That new phone, one of these, a Samsung Galaxy Note 7, one of the newest to hit the market.
I converted from Apple phones back when some of the first Notes were out, and I've had every new Note since then.
It was charging in the SUV when it blew up like a ticking time bomb. He'd only had it 4 days.
I don't think I'm going to let another Samsung product in my house.
He says he's gotten the runaround from the manufacturer and wasn't aware of the recall. Officially, the company says there have only been a small number of battery cell issues, 35 as of September 1st. Samsung has stopped selling the phone and is offering replacements, saying, quote, "The safety and satisfaction of our customers is Samsung's top priority."
Was enjoying it. I didn't have any issues with it up until this point.
He knows he's lucky no one was hurt, including his 8-year-old daughter, who often had the phone in her tiny hands.
And insurance will pay for the car, but he'll still likely be out thousands of dollars for the modifications that he did to it. It's also the family vehicle, so that's putting them in a bind as well. Again, all because of a simple phone just like this one. Mark, one more thing I want to point out. Just moments ago, we got an email from a representative from Samsung specifically about this case. They say, quote, "We are aware of the incident and are working with Mr. Dorniker to investigate his case and ensure we do everything we can for him." So it sounds like, following our story, things are happening. We'll have an update at 11 to see exactly where it goes from here. Back to you.
We are glad they're going to be okay. Could have been much worse. Josh Cassio tonight for us. Josh, thanks very much.